Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello guys, cái channel là câu lom lệ vích cho hay cái live sau cha cái rai lệ test cái test này cho cái nụ han lâu test rồi tiamo for into na này cầm prank don it so we gonna prank Nana. She asked me to do a pregnancy test, so she's at work right now. It's let's see what's I'm gonna tell her that my pregnancy test is positive. Actually it's negative. So here in lao test sa cho hi one line so ma two line to khane there should be two line, right? So but only one line, so I'm gonna tell her that it's positive. A positive hi kanu ka test ka tianga mo masi pregnancy test kha I bolho bom hi a khat vek to ni chukalo mi so oh, I'm gonna show you our garbage bin. It's full. I'm gonna throw, so I will tell her that if she asks me where is the test kit, I will tell her that I already throw away. Ti don chu ka pe to a ka ti don chu chan chu garbage kha full of ang han ka pe do na mo pula khan ka pe vek ko he ka han masi mi ka pe hana ka yang mo ka positive ka ti don chu reaction kan lo and mo we gonna see what's her reaction. I will tell her that I already throw away he ka pe de to alo la holo da wa we ka she's not at home right now. I'm scared because maybe she'll be mad at me. Alo thia thin ri mangem ka shela ma se request se na nai preng ron ta chan na na hianin ka rai hi kanu hianin ka rai na ka ti vezia ka mi ke thinia hming dik tak chu ka rai hi du ta pa hi lo test for la negative se we chan salom lom ti se lang khani chu shem. My mother is like a person who will give me always second hope. Like if I do a test, she'll be like, oh, there's another chance, don't worry, it will happen, it's too soon. She always say like that, so I'm excited, but at the same time I'm afraid she'll get mad at me. But let's see what's her reaction. I'm so scared. Kalau to pa dito sa to na han arsa lo siam arsa siam to lo pa se ro te ka boy pui do na tlem ka lo hung cha o lo ho mai siam to ha ka lo mix fel do ni chu mo lo ho ma khanin she asked me to cook to prepare some chicken, this chicken thigh. So I'm gonna cut off the fat and then mix with some soya sauce and garlic powder, and we're gonna do grill for the dinner today. So I'm preparing for her, and I will tell her, oh my god, I'm so happy, I have something to tell you. So oh my god, I'm so excited. I want you guys to know that it's just for for fun. This video, it's not true, okay? Tuna ka video ka prank tour hi chu kanu hi I atak ta kanilaw niya ka negative ka test khama se kanu ka prank vedu se chu wangi lo shevek to nya uje si rai mi ron ti to su oh chan kalaw lang le patang ka plan ka change sa kanu hian camera on lo hi she thiam lo ma se I alo sha thiam pal takin kanu I cooking ka video do na ka ti zenga chan zo na ka zot do ni I don't want my mother to have a doubt on me, like maybe she will think I'm prank her or something, but I usually don't lie to them, so she'll believe me, of course. But to record that part of her saying I have to on the camera and telling her that, oh, I'm just making video when you're coming home and while you're cooking and all stuff like that, I'm gonna lie to her. And now irong bolai te ka video do bai lo holai te video ka lo siama ni le ngin chu ka tivel me do a ka tiang shem chang ka rai thu ka shil cha I and now ka shil che lai te ka record do a ka tivel don chu reaction ka mu do a te ka tivelang shem te ang jong han chan chu dot ka sur ngai lo wang han awoi don lo to ka ni chu mo she'll believe me, I'm sure. I hope she do. Are you guys thinking she'll believe me? Nana, please forgive me if you watch this later. Forgive me, okay? Oh, it's just a joke. It's just for fun. Please don't hate me, guys. Just for fun. I don't want to do this, but I want to do this because you guys asked me to prank them, so that's the only way, because I know how much my mom excited me getting pregnant. Pregnant I'm so bad. I just come up to shower right now. I'm gonna shower and get changed, and when they come home, hopefully my prank is successful. Kay buwalo na ka prank is success ngay ka bay say ni oh milo oh fighting kanulo ho trip to tunchang darkar chan via lo ho don oh only half an hour left, she'll be home, so I have to shower quick, and then I have to make sure that I have to on the camera. So when she called me, I was like, I want to make video of your reaction because I am so excited to tell you, and I want to show my people just a short video. I will say like that, and I want to record your video like that while cooking and all. But I will keep on asking her, what do you feel? Shall we go buy beds and stuff? Hey, kumte kan valing em inge ilaw ka record chak hey viewers te ka mu chak vi mi mia ilo mem ka ti fiang ka so fa ton chorong bolai de ha mo video ha kala char char don ni chumo. Here is my chili. Yeah, they're spicy. These are very spicy here. They're really tall, and then also I have some cherry tomatoes here. A lot of tomatoes, and I have banana, pepper, and more should come here. And also big tomatoes here. There are a lot of tomatoes here. As you can see, they are still not ripe eared. I love min lo vàng na lo thầy lo tám mà cô rã nem về tụi con. Mint, those are my mint leaf and basil veil. So I mean, this is a melon. It's flower now. Kalau nga pa in kan huan pang parpel lo tulong ni kan pot pang parpel. Hey rose niya. Rose chok lang niya. Nalpe long khop me. Really love them. This, but the bee love it so much. So we happen to get a lot of bees. I mean bee because of this flower, I guess. It's beautiful. Our neighbor also have some, I think, same flower. Yeah, but same but different. Hannah, when are you coming home, Nana? I'm so excited to tell you. Kaswale. Oh my god. Can't believe. Ka-cycle ka lang. Ka-cycle. This is my bike. Ka-khalo to ka. Vegetables ka timya maya nim tila ti parang no chang khal chwa dom pon har to fang. Nana is home ei kanu lo ho che oh. Na ai. Oh my god. Home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Scarlett also waiting by the window here.
Is she?
Yeah. She just came in and she says she need to change, so I cannot do right now anything. Just wait, okay? Tôi cho anh mặc cái này thì là mình đồng hoa quốc đồ in class of pot session. Hey, joga thil ka ti zoja ka nu kha joga ka aw mi jo I mean joga ka ti sota grill na kha mi jo my mother went for doing the grill, so I'm going there and act like I'm gonna do video like hi guys, welcome back to my channel, like that stuff. Okay, hi guys, ti ve ha ka de don ni jo chai ha lo she thiam la chen chu ai apau lu tuk lo nan mo swale kan kal ngi o ei ka nu po na hen o man my mom right now cooking, so I'm gonna go there, okay? Scarlett, let's go and lie to Nana. Hey Scarlett, Dina, this is Scarlett. Okay, are we gonna tell Nana? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Nana. She's cooking. Mom.
How are you guys?
Oh, Mom, we are doing video just to show your cooking and what do you think about find out my pregnant.
I'm so excited. Grandma again.
Grandma again. Yeah, I'm so happy. Daddy is home too. Oh my god.
Yeah, he's up early.
Oh my god. Daddy is
Have
home.
to shop
I'm so happy. Mom, what do you will be a boy or a girl?
A girl.
One girl.
Yeah.
I wish it's a boy. So I.
Well, yeah, we need another boy in the family. We only have
Maybe
one.
we can make a mini Tori.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mini Eli.
Yeah. I know you asked me earlier, right, about my. I think you trust me, right, Mom?
Yeah, where is your pregnancy test thing? I was going to look at it.
Because Daddy, we have great news for you. Come.
Hey, Pooter.
We have great news.
Guess what, Papa? You're going to be a grandpa again.
What? Yeah. You want boy or girl? Do you want boy or girl, Daddy?
Don't matter. Healthy.
Healthy like Daddy. Yeah. Welcome home, Daddy. I'm so excited to tell my husband, Iringa. Mom, but you remember we planned not to tell Tori.
Right.
Yeah, so we're gonna surprise him. Tori tu kan shil don't know ni. We're not gonna tell Tori. I want to be a mama.
Yeah, woohoo.
What will be our baby name if it's a girl? Like Tori said, he likes Sersa. He said Sersa if it's a girl.
Nice.
Yeah. And then if it's a boy, Nick Klaus. You like Nick Klaus, right?
Yes, Nick Klaus.
Nick
We
Klaus'
like it.
name is beautiful, yeah. Welcome home, Daddy. It's a weekend. Happy weekend.
Hey.
Trong cái sấy là ngồi oi vel tu ka som ta. Ui nuam e.
That?
Som ka ti zo ke mai han ka sil to mai don man le o ngai ka la sil lawang le. Ngai kam pa lo na ka sil cha do nge kam pa hi chanin ka ti tur hi a she bik lawa. Ama in ka ti ru e ka ti ama se a support le pot lo po she chong law mo. Daddy, are you ready to go and buy baby beds and stuff like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell my husband, but we're gonna hide it from him for a while.
You're gonna hide it from him.
Yeah, because we want to surprise him.
Okay.
But we of course gonna tell our YouTube people first, you know, everything. So you're gonna be a daddy. No,
Grandpa.
Apu.
Apu.
Yeah, he's gonna be Apu.
Apu.
Yeah, he's gonna be Apu. But I'm excited. We I think tomorrow we should start buying baby clothing.
Okay. All right.
Right? I'm so happy. A new Api. You're gonna be what, Mom?
An uppy.
Yeah, and then
A
Apu.
poo.
yeah, Apu and Api.
Apu.
I'm
Apu
so
and Api.
excited. Mom, we should go and buy baby clothes, maybe baby beds, but we don't know it's a boy or girl, right?
Yeah, we'll wait a little while longer and see if we can get a picture of it when you're first.
I'm so
Yay.
happy.
Yay!
Châu ka local ni chu chani sota ka thutren ka chani ka nui jail don ni chu mo I came to the kitchen. If I sit with them for a long time, I mean I cannot control myself. I feel like laughing, so I'm just waiting to tell them. Once my husband come back, I will tell them that it was a prank. I hope they're not get mad at me, so let's find out. Okay. Oh my god, they all talk about baby stuff and I feel so bad doing this, but I'm doing for you guys. In tan ka ti wangin quarantine yo ano am law niya sa law chon swal to. Kanu bulay po na katsua sitting with nana. Ako da salud ko ba. Nana, cook for 2 person, for me, 1 in my belly.
I know.
For 2 person.
So you better let your Facebook friends know you'll be eating more food.
Yeah, I have to eat now 2 person. Right?
Right.
So kakapay mo, I'm in the kitchen right now. Oh my god, I cannot stop laughing in the living room, so I better stay away from them for a while until I reveal them the truth. Kapre nga niti ka shilma lau chu an bulom vak po nuam ka titol lau siyam kat nuye sa boksa hay shom ka titol tu kay siyam katiam lau ve boksa kayin so nga tingin nyo rin te kalim lau tu ka te kativil tu ni chu siyam nau te til ngot an soy kapalain akum vel te chu intin nge nyang te chu ni kanulay thom no lau soy vel siyam. They all talk about babies and the clothing. I feel so bad. I'm not sure am I doing the right thing or the wrong thing. It's making me crazy right now. Oh my god. Nana is on vacation from today until like what, 12 days?
Yep.
12 days vacation. Ne kanui nui nuam don to ka hei tu na hian I in lo pa fel da mo ar sa chu ki in lo asparagus.
All right. I gotta go melt some butter and garlic to brush our food.
If I have baby, do I have to have big car or like small car?
You'll probably get a van or something. If
Yeah.
you have more than one.
I wanna have two. So if it's a twins, then
You'll have a
we'll
mom
have
van like Ashley.
right? Oh, I'm excited. We should go and see the baby stuff maybe tomorrow when we go out.
Sure.
But we don't know the gender. When do we find out gender usually?
Oh, it's a while. 4 months, I think.
In 4 months they usually know.
Yeah.
Mi pale me chia ani hi alet mi tel mi mi zo i ko ngai tok. Mi pale me chia ni hi a shim shimin no rai ta bon ina na kina mo. If in no khalin huwa te thangan huwa te mi pale me chia ni hi a shat thei off. Okay, but I have something to confess with you because I cannot wait to tell you anymore, Mom.
What?
I have something to confess, Mom.
What?
Buang don ang hapay to lang kapala ko. Wait, let me. I have something to confess, Mom. Do you want to hear or no?
Sure, what's up?
That I just prank you. I am not pregnant.
What are you talking about, Queen? That's not anything funny to joke about.
Mom, I'm sorry, but I just want to do because everyone, my viewers said that we want to see, we wanted to prank your husband or your mom, and then I feel like I can prank you that because I know how much you want me to get pregnant, right? So.
Right, but that's still not a joke.
Oh.
Wait until my son gets home and I tell him what you did to me.
Kadui, kapapala ho.
You better go tell Papa.
I'm gonna tell Daddy.
You better
Yeah.
go tell Daddy.
I'm sorry though, Mom.
joke.
It's fun. I am successful.
Not funny.
Daddy, I have something to confess about before video. Will you hate me if I say anything?
No.
Actually, I'm not pregnant. I was just pranking Mom.
What?
So you're not gonna be
I'm not gonna be a poo?
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're so sweet. I love you though. I'm
later.
sorry. Yeah. Next time for real.
Next
I
time
hope
for
you
real.
believe me when it's real.
I better. I don't know.
Say bye to them.
Bye.
I am such a horrible daughter-in-law, right? Atak-tak ko na yan. Oy, tolong tiga lao ko. I hope they believe me when it's really happening. Mom, Daddy said, it's okay, we love you. But it's
that's-
not funny, he said. He's like,
That's right,
what?
It's not funny.
But I love you, Mom. I was just playing though.
Well,
So
we're
you're
gonna
not-
play no more.
So we are canceling Appy, no more Appy now. Now. We ha ano am lo ve top ka an thin rim chon lo nang in he am down ve kan ni chumo. Nana, I'm sorry, Nana. Forgive me. Don't tell my husband. You better don't tell him. Nana, I'm sorry. But I hope Nana don't take revenge on me and prank me next time.
You're not eating.
Mom, are you going to take revenge on me? Tell them. What?
You're not eating my food.
Okay, we'll see you next time. If you like me pranking my mother-in-law, please comment and share and like, okay? Yeah, I hope she don't take revenge.